Today we are learning to make puppy craft. I want to show you how to make puppy craft. First, take a square paper, fold it like this. See everyone, like a triangle. 1 second. Press it like this. Then do like a triangle, and again you fold it, press it like this. Then open it, make a ears. Press it tightly. Take one ear up, then other one keep it back. You keep it back. It will look like puppy. Then you should draw the nose with sketch pen, black sketch pen. Then draw the eyes of it. Okay. It will look like puppy. So make and enjoy. Subscribe the Learn with Bhuvan. Thank you.